Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be showing you how to navigate through Machankura. Machankura is a USSD service or a wallet that allows Africans to send and receive Bitcoin to their phone number without the need of a smartphone or internet access. Think of it like mobile money that everyone is used to, but for Bitcoin. So what problem does Machankura solve? Machankura was created to make Bitcoin more accessible in communities where not everyone has an internet connected device. Sweet, right? So now let's look at how it works. Machankura has different USSD codes for different African countries. You can check their website at a333.mobi to find the USSD code for your country. So let's get into it. And first things first, registrations. You have to register. So the first time you dial the USSD code, Machankura will help you set up the account. It will prompt you to enter a 5-digit PIN, which you will want to memorize to keep your account safe, of course. And after keying in your PIN, your account is created. Hooray! You only have to do this initial step once. And now you're ready to send and receive Bitcoin. Congratulations and welcome to the club. Every time you dial this USSD code, you will see these 8 menu items. And these 8 menu items are send BTC referring to Bitcoin, receive BTC, balance and history, barter goods and services, BTC exchange rate, clans, settings, and finally exit. Depending on which action you want, just type the number for the action you want to perform and click send. Let's start by receiving some Bitcoin into our wallet, because we cannot send Bitcoin if we don't have Bitcoin, right? So we'll press number 2, which is receive BTC, and later we'll come back to option 1, which is send BTC. So here we are at receive BTC, and once we click on it, it will give us these 4 options, which are redeem BTC, lightning invoice, static QR code, on-chain address, and menu. So let's start with the first option, which is redeem BTC. So when you click on the redeem BTC option, it will prompt us to enter an Azteco voucher reference ID. So this option will let you redeem Azteco vouchers. If you'd like me to record a video on how to buy the Azteco vouchers, or like what Azteco vouchers are, leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel to be notified when the video is out, okay? So to redeem the voucher, all you have to do is redeem the 16-digit number on your Azteco voucher, and instantly the Bitcoin will show up in your Machankura account. So let's redeem this voucher. So I just redeemed the voucher, and now let's check our balance to see that the Bitcoin or our funds have arrived. So we'll press 99 to go back to the main menu, and then we'll press number 3 to check our balance. And hooray, here's our balance. Here is our new balance, and now we can send Bitcoin. Exciting, right? Now let's cover receive option number 2, which is receiving via a lightning invoice. So to receive via a lightning invoice, you'll need to visit the website they send you to, and here we can see it's a33.mobi. I'll choose my unit of account. In this case, I'll choose Kenyan shillings, and for this example, I receive 500 Kenyan shillings, and then I'll click the get invoice button. Now that we have an invoice, we can pay the invoice to receive that amount of Bitcoin to my Machankura wallet. So I just paid the invoice that we just created, and so let's check our balance to see that the Bitcoin has arrived, or our funds. So we press 99 to go back to the main menu, and then we'll press number 3 to check our balance, and hooray! clink clink. Now we can see the balance is updated with the funds we received from the Azteco voucher plus the amount from the invoice we just created. And that's how you create a lightning invoice on Machankura. Easy peasy. So now let's look at the other option, which is static QR code. So just like how we did when creating the invoice, we'll go to the Machankura website that they gave us, and here we see the static QR code to receive Bitcoin too. So the difference between a static QR code in this step and the lightning invoice from the last step is that with the lightning invoices, you as a receiver, you're choosing a specific amount that you want to receive from the sender, and they have to pay that specific amount. Whereas with a static QR code, the sender gets to choose how much they want to send to you. Understood? I hope you guys have understood that. And down below, we can see what is lightning address. So let's click on that. And it says a lightning address is like an email address, but for you to receive Bitcoin. Understood? So they're telling me your lightning address is Sabina at 8333.mobi. Feel free to send me some sats, by the way. Anyway, that's it. And moving on to option number 4, which is on-chain address. So you can enter, when we click here, you can enter number 2 to read some recommendations related to Bitcoin privacy. But we'll click on number 1, however, to get our on-chain address. So we will receive the full on-chain address via SMS, and make sure that you always copy and paste the address. You never want to type it in manually, because if you mess up one letter and you try to send Bitcoin there, you can lose it forever. In general, you probably won't be receiving on your on-chain address very often, but I'm just showing you for demonstration purposes. Receiving BTC or Bitcoin on-chain is slower than Lightning and also has higher fees. You will only normally use it for receiving very large amounts, or if you need to withdraw from an exchange or somewhere that does not support the Lightning network yet. Now that we have some BTC in our wallet, let's explore the send menu. Excited. So thank you for joining us today, guys. In the next part of the video, we'll delve more into the send option. So stay tuned for our in-depth exploration, and see you in part 2. Bye.